Hey everybody, welcome back to the Fish Talker channel. Day 2. Okay, lots of windy days, so gotta take advantage of the calm ones. So this morning showing 4 miles an hour. Actually looks a little better than it did yesterday, especially at this time. Didn't get out here till 7, still 67 degree water. I only found catfish in one spot so far, guys, and it's in a large flat that's 23 foot deep. I'm gonna go sit back on it, looking for some drag peeling to happen, trying to kick off the catfish season. I get into a decent spot and get some guys out here. I like to take you when it's when they're hitting good. So I'm working on that, working on the location. So we will soon see. I do have my friend Ted gonna meet me at the dock here in just a little bit. So I'm gonna get over here, get some baits down, run back to the dock and grab him when he gets over here. So stay tuned, everybody. Trying to get into the colossal catfish bite. Looking for that yearly harvest. It's nothing better as far as I'm concerned. It's right up there with a ribeye steak in my book. So working on that. It's a beautiful day, everybody. Beautiful day. Showing 2 weeks of wind. Let's hope they're wrong. It's been pretty nasty as far as wind goes this spring here. So, all right, we're gonna put the camera on, show you all the catches here today, everybody. All right, guys, bass on. Waiting for our 11:30 catfish bite, I guess. Had to do something. Nice bass. All right, that's pretty decent. Woohoo! Feisty too. Ah. There we go, guys. Didn't take long to hook up with a bass on the Nico. All right, there we go. 17 inches, something like that. All right, we're gonna keep moving along. Ooh, he likes to go down. There we go. Oh, a little guy. Still all good as long as you're catching. There we go. Came off the hook easy too. All right, I'm moving on into this cove. I've seen some huge boulders that leave a massive shadow, so we're gonna pitch some more livers up in here. See what happens. Good. There we go, guys, fish on. Another spotted bass. Oh yeah. Nice one too, just like the first one. Ooh. Scoopage. He's a little smaller than the first one. Damn, those spotted bass fight good. Yeah, he's like the second one. Heavy little guy though. Whoop, careful, Ted. You got one? Or are you snagged? All right, we're gonna keep trying. Got him, guys. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, they're spotted. Dang, he's little, but he fought hard, let me tell you. Oh yeah, he's pretty small. Shoot, he fought like he was 3 pounds. All right, we're still moving along. Hooked up. I'll spot lock. Oh yeah, I see it shaking. All right, I'll set mine down.
Right off that point, you know, that spot.
That is a good spot. That's why we're headed over there.
You get to that?
Weightless Cinco, guys. Green pumpkin. Texas rigged.
Oh yeah, he's a fighter.
Good.
He's a fighter.
Awesome. We were trying for one more bass before we went and hit the cats up.
Pull this over the rod, I think. Whoa. I can bring him to that.
Okay. Yeah. Good spotty. Perfect size and everything. There you go.
I think you said it.
All right. Ted hooked it up.
All right.
All right. We're going to go switch to catfishing here pretty soon, guys. Let go of it. Guys, cat on. Tighten the drag a hair. Just a little bit.
Oh boy.
All right, guys, finally got bed. The catfish bite's pretty slow, but I'm still getting some to go.
Is it wrapped or something?
No, just keep it tight.
It is wrapped.
On what?
Wrapped right here.
Oh, let's see.
Got it.
Okay, take your time, let them wear out. So far, biggest guys has been a couple 8-pounders out of here.
He's big, boy. He's throwing down. Whoa.
Wear him out a little. He'll probably run again.
He's gonna run. Look at him.
Starting to see color. When he took it down hard.
Pill and drag.
I probably loosen it just a hair more. Just for safety's sake. Oh, that is a big cat. Oh yeah. So we might beat that 8-pound mark here today, guys. If it looks like 10, I break out scales at that point.
He's still fighting. There he goes.
Yep.
Drag. Pull and drag. There he goes again.
I see his tail went to town, huh? Yeah, these are a great fight.
Oh, he's killing it.
He wants out of here. You might want to tighten it just a hair. He'll wear down.
He's on.
A lot of times I see bubbles and then they're easy to net. Yeah, these are the best fighting fish in Folsom. That I guarantee. Best eating too. Yeah, it's a big fish. Going under the boat.
He's killing drag again.
Good fight, guys, yeah. I knew I was sitting in them. I could see their marks here this afternoon.
There you go.
Could not see them this morning. They weren't in here.
There you go.
So no bite until after 11:30 for me, guys. I keep trying, but okay, give them another minute. All right.
He's going to pill it again. There he goes.
When it gets tired, you'll see bubbles. Yeah, good sized cat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We'll have to get the scale on that one, guys.
Yeah.
Giant, Ted, for Folsom. All right, we'll get him out of here. Let me set him on this rag. It'll slime up everything. Good sized fish. Swallowed the hook before, of course. But there we go, guys. Big old cat. Well, you want to hold him, Ted?
I do.
Okay, yeah, you got it. Pinch hard.
Got him.
All right, guys, there we go. Ted with his first catfish of the season. I try to get him out here every year with me. All right, guys, we'll get that off the hook and I'll show you a weight here in a little bit. It's 12, 14 on the cat. Real decent. Here, you want your picture with the weight? Hey, Ted's best this year. First and best, 12, 14. Awesome weight, guys. All right, we're gonna keep fishing though. All right, guys, we got fish on.
We got a mess.
Yeah, we got a messed up spool.
Oh no, you better help me.
Here, let me see it.
Help me.
Here, let me see it.
Help me.
Let go.
Get him.
Let go of the whole thing. Oh man. Look, we got a loose spool here, guys.
Get it figured out.
I got it. Oh yeah, that's pretty much done for. See if we can wrap it on top of it. I'll just have to change the line tonight.
What do we got going here?
Oh, he took off. He's way over there. All right, guys. Had the spool loose and it bird nested it. Catfish number 2.
Yo, Daddy, just put fresh bait out.
That was fresh bait, huh?
Yes, sir.
I guess it made a difference. I see it.
Good job, Rob.
It's a good one too. It's not a 12 pounder, but it's good.
Good job, Rob. Keep twisting and going. Wear him down. Wear him down. Got him.
All right. In the boat, guys. Right on, Ted.
Sorry about that.
That's okay.
Good job.
Boom. Whoops.
He's clean looking too.
They're really clean. Folsom has the cleanest catfish out there. All right, guys. Of course, he swallowed it. Snap him off.
Oh,
All right, guys. Now, I have 5 pounder there.
get a picture of him.
Awesome. We're having a good time today, even though the bite's a little bit slow. We still pick them up. Should be really hot soon, though. Ooh. All right, we're gonna be getting out of here before too long. It's pretty hot, so might wait just a little bit longer. One more bite, maybe. All right, guys. That's what the catfish look like on the bottom. We got plenty going by and lots of bait down low too. There's some bait up high. Most of the bait's on the bottom. Whoop, got another one right here. Whoop. Shoot, he just dropped it.
That quick, huh?
Yep. Just had it. Just had this Shimano bend over, guys.
Should let him take it.
Oh, the bait's still there. Just thought I'd show you what they look like on the fish finder. Those are definitely catfish, so. And they're chasing bait, but doesn't seem to be any around till 11:30. So we're out here still trying. Hopefully this one comes back. He just took it down. They're sketchy. They'll drop it if they feel the weight of the rod or anything on it. So, all right, we'll get back to you if he hits again. Number 3. Hey, you want this, Ted?
I want it.
Take it. You don't get out here very often. Number 3 catfish, guys.
He's good.
Putting in the work.
Good. He's heavy.
Is he?
Oh yeah, he's dragging her.
I was seeing him right under the boat, and he was there. I was sitting here watching him. I was glad he finally took it.
Got a lot of pressure on it.
Good, maybe it's another 12 pounder.
He's heavy. Oh yeah, look at him. Oh, he's fighting. He's fighting.
We live for this stuff, guys. You know it. Favorite time of year, catfish season. Catch the biggest fish in the lake right then. There we go. Got him. Maybe 6 or 7 at least. He's dark. Alright guys, I think I got me a catfish spot. Just gotta come out and be patient. Nice one, Ted. I'll get your picture. We'll put her in the box. We're out of here. Still got catfish under the boat. Alright, that was it. Pretty decent day. I was glad I get Ted on some fish here. His first outing of the year as far as catfish goes. He did pretty good. He got some. So, yeah, man, anytime, man. Alright, guys, we appreciate you watching too. We'll get you some more videos. Two more after this and we'll hit 100. It's pretty good for an old boy like me, huh? Alright, it's been a beautiful day, guys. We're gonna do a really short ride out. And we'll see you on the next one. Click me a sub. And we'll see you guys soon.